In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create this grunge psychedelic effect for your next edit or music video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an adjustment layer. Once we got something like this, I'm going to go ahead and add our noise effect, drag in our noise effect, and we're just going to increase our noise to a good amount. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to get rid of our half of our layer right here. So it's not affecting our first clip. It's only affecting our second clip. So once after that, I'm going to go ahead and add Displacer Pro. It's a free plugin. I'll make sure to link it inside the description. So I'm going to head towards the beginning right here. And I'm going to bring my scale down all the way to 0. And you can see right here how it just starts completely destroying our clip. But don't worry, it's just part of the process. So I'm going to go right here to our start. And I'm going to start it at 0. I'm going to click on our time watch to create a first keyframe. Head all the way over here to the end. Then I'm going to put it around at 61. Highlight our both keyframes and ease it. Push this one to the end. And you can see how it starts moving. Not really moving, but like gives us kind of like an aura effect, which is really trippy. So I'm going to close out our effect menu for Displacer Pro. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the add grain effect. It's right here. Drag it in. Go to our viewing mode and put on final output. And we're going to increase our intensity around to a good bit right here. Close out our effect menu for add grain. Then this actual effect is optional, but if you don't want to add it, it makes it look really cool. It's going to go ahead and add a CC vignette effect. It's a simple effect, but does help tie it in. So yeah, you get something like this. And if you see right here, there's just a hard transition right here. It just looks weird. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another adjustment layer. And then I'm going to go ahead and make it 1 frame long. Once we got something like this, I'm going to add invert. Then we got something like this. If you want, you can make it 2 frames. And yeah, if you guys don't know, I did actually just release my first editing product. It's called the Grunge Anarchy pack. It's based off of grunge aesthetic. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to use it right now. I'm going to make an adjustment layer. I'm going to turn off these effects right here for our user presets. And I already have my pack onto my After Effects files. Then let's just say I want to use maybe Rotten Sepia. Go ahead and drag it in. And you can see already how it starts affecting our footage that easy. I'm going to get rid of that one. And let's go ahead and add another one. Yeah, it just helps give a nice grunge aesthetic to your footage. It's just so cool. With this one, it's probably way too overexposed. If you don't like it, just turn off our glow. Go to our threshold. I'm going to go right here. Then I'm going to just bring up our threshold like that, and boom. Yeah, if you guys like grunge effects and you like saving time, I recommend checking out this pack. It is in my website called strivevisuals.com. I'll make sure to link it in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.